I have here the Honor Clip. Testing natin ngayon sa konting walking and konting basketball. So, we'll see. Tingnan muna natin kung may charge. May ilaw, may charge siya. Hindi lang natin alam kung ilang percent. Makikita natin sa cellphone. Nilagay ko yung volume sa around 70 to 80%. Okay, time check. 8:30 a.m. By the way, gamit ko is Honor 400. Bagay. So far, okay naman. Naririnig ko yung aeroplano, naririnig ko yung mga sasakyan, naririnig ko yung mga tumatahol. Okay siya for walking. May lumabas siya dito sa Honor 400. Noise reduction is supported by external microphone. So I think ang ginagamit na microphone right now na naririnig nyo is from the Honor Ear Clip. So let me know what you think about the quality of the sound. Sa 70 to 80% na volume, very detailed pa rin, naririnig ko pa rin talaga lahat. Even yung mga naka-cellphone, nakikipag-usap, at max volume, ang masasabi ko, maganda pa rin ang, for me okay pa rin siya sa tenga, hindi masakit sa tenga. So, very usable siya at 100% volume. Plus, naririnig nyo pa rin yung ambient sound, but this time, siguro mga nabawasan ng mga 10% yung ambient sound. Kakatapos ko lang tumawag sa wife ko. Malinaw pa rin, naririnig niya ako, and rinig na yung drill. Call quality guys, okay. And rinig ko din siya at the same time. I've been walking for 1 hour na, and chinek ko yung battery. So from 100% both, 76 siya sa left, 75 sa right side. And that's not bad. 1 hour. Tapos, kung kailangan ko siyang i-charge, dala ko pa rin yung case. So, I can still charge it here. So, more than enough for walking, for sure. Pretty good. Okay? Considering 100% yung volume ko. Time check, 1 hour and 20 minutes. So, kakatapos ko lang panoorin yung video na nirecord ko kanina from here. And when it comes to audio quality, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-expect masyado. With that being said, pagdating naman sa mga calls malinaw, yun naman ang importante with this, right? At saka yung sound ng music. Pero when it comes to making videos, of course, you're better off using an external mic, syempre. Okay? We're not going to make vlogs using our clip earbuds, of course. So, hindi big deal sa akin yun. So, nandito na ako sa court. Last test for the day is basketball. Kakatapos ko lang kausap yung tita ko, and since naka full volume, napansin ko hindi ko siya marinig. Pero in fairness, mahina kasi yung boses niya. So, yun lang. Pag naka full volume kayo, tas may kausap kayo, medyo mahina ang boses, wala kayong maririnig. Even though she is like around 5 feet away from me, ganun lang kalapit. For this test naman, ang gusto ko lang malaman is, secure ba siya habang tumatakbo, habang tumatalon. When it comes to basketball, moving, shooting, jumping, okay siya, secure yung fit niya. Ayoko dito is the controls. Minsan hindi ka agad kumakagat. So, you have to press it 3 times for the next song. And just make sure nasa gitna yung finger nyo. Dito kasi yung control eh. So just make sure nandun, hindi yung medyo slanted. This will come to personal preference Kasi para sa akin, mas gusto ko pa rin yung in-ear. Kasi pag naka-in-ear ako, mas naka-isolate yung sound and mas nakaka-focus ako sa music at saka sa basketball. Pag ako lang mag-isa when playing. So this is subjective.
When it comes to calls, malinaw siya. Meron siyang noise cancelling feature. Even though malinaw siya, I will not advise you to use your clip, of course, for your vlogging. Okay? Kasi mas maganda pa rin meron kayong external mic, like a DJI mic like this, a mini. Iba pa rin talaga yung quality. Naka 100% yung volume. Naririnig nyo pa rin yung ambient noise. So this is the strongest pro para sa akin when it comes to the clips. So if you are just walking or jogging, okay na okay ang Honor clip. I haven't tried the other clips yet. Ito pa lang talaga ang meron ako. So sorry, I cannot compare this to the Huawei clip. Yun ang isa pang kino-comment. It's a Huawei copy. I don't know. Now, ang hindi ko gusto dito is if you are going to the malls. Kaya ako medyo na-turn off. Tinry ko siya sa Market Mall and napakadaming tao doon. And I will tell you, hindi nyo may enjoy yung music nyo. Lalo na pag, syempre, maraming nagsasalita. Lalo na pag nakakairita yung boses. Alam nyo na yun, you know what I'm talking about? Pagdating sa walking or jogging, panalong-panalo siya for safety purposes din. Okay, so ano ngayon ang verdict ko for the honor clip? Personally, for me, 8 out of 10. Now, because of this factor, magiging siyang 7 out of 10. Kasi iniisip ko din yung mga ibang tao. Yung mga ibang nagko-comments sa videos ko, hindi kasya sa kanila or hindi nagfi-fit ng maayos sa kanila yung clip. Okay? Sa akin, okay siya. Madali siyang ipasok. Walang problema. Madali naman siyang connect. Everything. Nakita nyo naman yung videos. This will have a final verdict of 7 out of 10. Ngayon, Honor, if you are listening or nakita nyo tong review ko, if there is a way na pwede siyang i-adjust for people with smaller or larger ears, I don't know what kind of engineering you guys can do, but if there is a way to make a clip that can be adjustable for different sizes of ears, I think that is the way to go to move forward with this product. Ngayon, doon naman sa mga nag-comment na wag na daw i-bash, wag na daw sabihan ng masama or something, dahil libre na nga siya nakuha. Okay, ito lang masasabi ko sa inyo. First of all, kailangan nyo bumili ng Honor 400 na phone na worth 20k plus. And second of all, hindi porket free siya, magiging balimbing vlogs na tayo. Lahat na lang nang sasabihin natin, okay, positive for this gadget. Okay, guys, hindi po ito yung channel na balimbing vlogs. This is real vlogs, honest vlogs. Okay, para maging fair naman po tayo sa mga gagastos at bibili at naghahanap ng mga ganitong klaseng earbuds. Kasi maraming interesado, marami rin nagtatanong sa mga comments kung okay ba siya for calling, blah, 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 blah. That means to say, balak din nilang gumastos. That is your hard-earned money. And syempre, gusto nyong malaman ang pros at especially na yung cons. So that I can promise you, my channel, my vlogs, my honest reviews. Pero good news pa rin overall, maganda pa rin yung nakuha niyang score. Okay? I will still highly recommend this. Lalo na doon sa mga gustong mag-walking, jogging, and sa mga gusto mag-multitask habang nagwo-work. Siyempre, pag boring ang work mo, gusto mo ng music, and gusto mo pa rin marinig yung doorbell, maganda siya. Kaysa mag-in-ear ka, hindi mo na maririnig yung nagdo-doorbell, nagde-deliver, or nagpipick up ng mga orders mo from Shopee, Lazada, Temu, TikTok. That's it for this video. I hope you find value. And if you do, please hit a like and subscribe. And I will be making more gadget reviews in the near future. So please stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.